Let's unpack the Air India cabin pack that was given on a flight from Delhi to Ho Chi Minh City. That's a journey from India to Vietnam. The pack comes inside a simple plastic bag. So, let's open this plastic wrapping and see what's inside this in-flight amenity kit, which you find waiting for you on your seat when you board the plane. The plastic bag is quite easy to open, though I do wonder why there's extra plastic packaging. Seems a bit unnecessary. Inside we have a small blue fabric bag. The material feels quite cheap and flimsy, definitely not something very sturdy. I wouldn't reuse this bag for my personal stuff. It's really only good for that one flight. You can tell it's brand new because there's a small plastic pin sealing the bag, and we'll need to break that pin to open it. Opening it was pretty straightforward, thankfully, unlike some other airlines whose in-flight packs can be tricky to open. Now, let's check what's inside. This collection is called Inara by Forest Essentials. It was specially made for Air India. The bag is blue on the outside, with a nice color inside. It has two layers, a thicker outer layer and a thinner inner lining. Not sure why they use two layers, but that's what we have. Inside, the first item is a pair of socks, likely for comfort during the flight. They are black and quite long. The socks are pretty basic, nothing fancy or special, just simple black compression socks. They will probably be forgotten quickly after the flight. Next, there's a card with some information, but honestly, it's nothing very interesting or necessary for passengers, just airline info. Inside the bag, there's also another small tissue bag. Let's open that and see what else is included. Inside this smaller bag, first, we find a lip balm. It's a mimosa-scented lip balm, not something you usually see in an in-flight pack, so that's a nice surprise. Let's open it. There's a plastic seal for protection. The scent is definitely mimosa, quite pleasant. The balm isn't too liquidy or sticky, just a standard lip balm. I tried it, and it feels normal. Nothing extraordinary, but useful to have on a flight. The next item is a lemon zest body lotion. Again, I wonder why we need body lotion on a plane. I suppose it's for moisturizing dry skin caused by the cabin air, but how practical it is to use that on a flight is another question. It's for external use only, of course. So to sum up, the Air India in-flight pack includes a pair of black socks, a lip balm, and a body lotion. This was handed out on a flight from New Delhi to Ho Chi Minh City. Overall, it's a decent but basic pack. Not something I'd hold on to for long, but it serves its purpose during the flight.